Hello students, in this video we will study more about dimensions, dimensional formula and dimensional analysis. First of all, I told you in the physical world there are 7 dimensions. These 7 dimensions are nothing but 7 basic or fundamental units, and we are more specifically discussing about length, mass and time. And based on this length, mass and time, which are very basic units, we are going to develop more advanced or derived units and physical quantities. And again I say that physical quantity is a measurable quantity. Now, length, mass and time. We said that, for example, if I take a term called speed, speed is distance upon time, fine. So, distance is what? Length, and time is t. So, L t power minus 1 is the dimensional formula of the speed. Now, what about velocity? When you talk about velocity, velocity is also nothing but instead of distance you are going to have shortest distance, which is displacement upon time, and again which is L upon t, which is equal to L t power minus 1. And further we studied about acceleration. We said that acceleration is equal to change in velocity upon time taken. Again, whether it is change in velocity, initial velocity, final velocity, relative velocity, whatever name you call it, velocity. So, velocity is already we got it, L t power minus 1 upon the time is t. So, L t power minus 1 and again minus 1, it becomes minus 2. This is how we go on developing the other derived units. Today, I am going to show that already I proved that in the 3 equations of motion that you are going to have first equation is V is equal to U plus AT, then S is equal to UT plus half AT square, we derived it. Today, let us review it. V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. Is it dimensionally correct? This is what we are going to now do. Now, you know velocity is L t power minus 1, right, power 2 minus again final initial velocity, this is final velocity, L t power minus 1 power 2, which is equal to 2 into what is A? Acceleration, L t power minus 2 into S. S is spatium. The word is spatium, space. From that the word distance is come. We don't use D as we use in smaller classes. We use S. S is the displacement or distance. So, this is distance. So, this I will write it as length. Again, remember the word S comes from the symbol we are using. S is from spatium, space. From that this word is come and we are using that. Okay. Now, let me continue with solving this problem. So, L power 2, fine, t power minus 1 into 2, t power minus 2 minus L power 2, t power minus 2 is equal to 2, L power L into L 2, t power minus 2. I said to you that based on the principle of homogeneity, we are going to have LHS should be equal to RHS. We don't worry whether it is plus sign or minus sign. Multiply sign will make a difference. Division sign will make a difference. Okay. And the 2, we don't worry about the number, right? So, LHS is equal to RHS, which means the equation is dimensionally correct. Okay. Now, the dimensional analysis is used for 3 purposes. The first one is to check whether an equation is dimensionally correct or not correct, incorrect. This is the first purpose. And the second purpose is to convert one set of units into other set of units. Okay. Now, I am going to do, again you see, till you understand the concept well, I will be better that I do one more example for you, right, on this same to check. Okay. Then we will move on to the next concept of changing from one unit to the other unit. Okay, now what I am going to do, you know that energy is having two forms. One is kinetic energy, another is potential energy. There are so many other forms. Mechanical energy is kinetic energy and potential energy. Now what is the formula for kinetic energy? Half mv square, which is equal to, what is the potential energy near the surface of the earth? mgh. Okay, now we don't worry about half number, right? And m is mass, velocity L t power minus 1 power q, right? That is equal to mass, that is m. G, what is G? Acceleration due to gravity. A body is there and you will find that it is getting attracted towards the earth, and what acceleration it is giving, the earth is exerting, that is called acceleration due to gravity. Okay, so that is nothing but L t power minus 2. Okay, and h is height, which is length. Okay, now you need not use what you call square bracket, it's okay. M L power q t power minus 2, which is equal to m L into L power q t power minus 2. Now, are we right with this equation? Yes, of course, absolutely we are correct, because m L power 2 t power minus 2 and in RHS m L power 2 t power minus 2. So this is dimensionally correct, and that is why the dimension formula for energy or work done turns out to be m L power 2 t power minus 2. Okay, dear students, do not memorize. If you know the basic fundamental definition, what is work done? Force multiplied by distance. What is force? Mass into acceleration. Then naturally you will be able to get this. Do not memorize, right? These are all very important conceptually. You should learn to do it conceptually rather than try to memorize it. Okay. Now I come to the second application of the dimensional analysis. Okay, what is the second thing which I am going to do now? That is converting from one set of units to another set of units. Okay, I told you we have Cgs system of units, we have Mks system of units, and I am not going to talk about FPS system of units. We are going to only talk about these two. And Mks system is also known as SI system of units. Okay, what is Cgs system? Cgs system, we are going to take, for example, force. Okay, force unit in Cgs system is actually dyne. Okay, nowadays these units are not used, but how we are learning is how a dimensional analysis method can be useful to convert, right? We don't use it nowadays, right? Dyne. But force is actually, according to us, that is Newton. Newton is the MKS unit or the SI unit. Now how to convert these two? Okay, so what I am going to do, MKS unit of force divided by CGS unit of force. Okay, now I am taking the concept as the force. Okay, so first we should write the dimension of force. I really don't know the dimension of force, but I know the definition of force is equal to mass into acceleration. Mass is mL t power minus 2 is acceleration. So that's all very simple. Now bring it here. mL t power minus 2. I'll call for MKS 1, 1 and 1 divided by CGS system, same, the dimension is same, mL t power minus 2, but here this is second set of units, so I put a subscript 2. Fine. Now this is done. Now M stands for what? Mass. In MKS system, what is the unit of mass? 1 kilogram. Close the bracket. In MKS system, length 1 meter. In second, that is time, that is S, that is second, time is second power minus 2. Okay, 1 second power minus 2. You understand now? Now, Cgs system. Now come down to the denominator. Mass 1 gram, then distance 1 centimeter, and time again same, 1 second in all the things, whether it is MKS or CGS. So cancel 1 second and 1 second as it is. Now we have got 1 kilogram, 1 meter, and this is 1 gram. Express kilogram into in gram. What is 1 kilogram? 1 kilogram is 1000 gram. Okay, so I am going to write 1000 gram divided by 1 gram. Why did I convert? Because I will cancel gram and gram. And next, what do I have? 1 meter. And in the denominator is centimeter. So what is 1 meter? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter divided by 1 centimeter. Again centimeter goes, I got this number. So let me look at it now. 1000 and 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros are there. So can I write this MKS? That is nothing but Newton. Okay, Newton divided by, what is the CGS unit? Dyne. Newton. See, always we write it with small letter, units. It's a standard procedure. Though scientist name is capital N, but when writing the unit we use a small letter, right? So that is equal to, now what is the number got? 10 power 5. That is equal to 10 power 5. That means 1 Newton is equal to 10 power 5 dyne. Okay, and this is the way in which we have converted the CGS system and MKF system, or one set of units into another set of units. Dear students, you don't have so many problems. One more problem is there. I'll solve this also, right? That is that of energy. Yes, understand this please very clearly. Now I am moving to the next concept, that is energy. Okay, energy. Now what is the unit of energy? In SI unit, joule. We all know that, that is joule. But in olden days, they used something called erg, E-R-G, erg. Okay, erg, right. Now, again MKS system upon CGS system. I have to substitute the dimensional formula of what? I have to substitute that of the energy. I don't know really what is energy. Okay, I know what is energy. I don't know its dimensional formula. Yes, I am teaching physics for the past 35 years. But I never ever memorized all these things. Okay, you should only memorize certain definitions. Otherwise, you have to apply intelligently. You should know the definition, and from that you have to develop it. Okay, so what I am going to do is the energy. What is energy? Energy is nothing but work done. I know that. Let me erase it here. Okay. I know that energy and work are two sides of the same coin. So that is equal to force multiplied by displacement. That is equal to mL power minus 2. Sir, how do you know this? Because already I have it here. Just like that. Yes, when you go on practicing some of the basic units, you will be able to remember. S stands for not time. H stands for displacement, that is L. Okay, that is equal to m L power 2 T power minus 2. Once you know this, right, that of the dimensional formula, we have to make just changes here, right? Let me erase this part now, okay, so that we will take it fresh and do this problem. Okay, now let us look at it. MKS unit upon CGS unit. We can take one more step also. MKS system 1 joule, James Prescott joule upon 1 erg, okay, that is equal to M1 L1 power 2 T1 power minus 2 divided by M2 L2 power 2 T power minus 2 T2, right. You know, above is MKS system, mass 1 kg, close it, length 1 meter, but there is a power 2, time second 1 second, power minus 2 divided by, here Cgs system, erg, mass 1 gram, 1 centimeter, 1 second, power minus 2. So that is equal to, now we have to substitute, 1 kilogram is 1000 gram, 1 meter is 100 centimeter, but power 2. These two can be cancelled, okay, divided by 1 gram and 1 centimeter, I missed here, power 2, okay, that is equal to, gram goes, I got 1000, multiply by, here comes the clutch, see here, centimeter square, that will get cancelled, but 100 square is there, 100 square is nothing but 10, that 4 zeros you have to keep, that is equal to 10 power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10 power 7. Okay, from this we can conclude that 1 joule is equal to 10 power 7 erg. Okay, so this is the conclusion which we get from this dimensional analysis, right? I hope you understand. You have to be clear how I am doing it. Watch it 1 time, 2 time, yes, and you will be able to do this problem. Dear students, I want to say, you can use NCERT textbook, the exercises, and also you can refer to it. But always I suggest you should have in 11th standard a reference book. Now, I am going to give you some names of reference books. You can purchase any of the reference books. You need not buy now because Corona is going on, the second wave is going on, which is more serious. At this point of time, you can put a small hold on the studies little bit, try to do what you studied in 9th and 10th, those physics concepts also you can memorize, you can try to remember, right, and you can try to refresh on that. 9th and 10th physics, that is the base for 11th and 12th standard. You can do that, and when the things little become okay, then you purchase any one of the reference book which I am going to give you the names to you, right? You can find this, you will get it in Amazon, you will get it in Flipkart, but again I suggest you, please do not buy now because of Corona. When you get the packet, you may have problems, you have to wash your hand, you have to throw the packet away, even nowadays I don't buy anything in the Amazon or Flipkart or anything. That packet you get it, maybe who packed it, that person might have had some Corona and you may touch it and you may also get it. So please do not take risk. Studies can go on well, just it's a matter of time. Yes, even you can download NCERT textbook from ncert.nic.in. Yes, many times all available in the net. Okay, see, these are the names of the books, whichever you want you buy. First one I will say is New Simplified Physics. Okay, this book is by S.L. Arora. Okay, this is the book, you can use it. It is used for NEET exam as well as IIT level exam also, a broad book. But you want a smaller book, same author, Move Fast with Physics. Yes, those who focus on board exam, same by S.L. Arora. Okay, this you can use it. I refer to this book nowadays. Okay, number 2, ABC of Physics. Okay, this is an MBD publication and author is, I think, Satish Kumar or something like that. Okay, Satish Kumar. And third book which I will suggest you is Pradeep Physics. Pradeep Physics. Okay, this is also a good book. This is which company I don't know, Gombar and Gogia, I think. These are the two authors. ABC is over, Pradeep is over, New Simplified Physics is over. These are all used in both the purposes, you know, and for any of the competitive exams plus board examination. And quite often people also use concepts, okay, concepts in physics, right? This is by a wonderful IIT professor, Kanpur professor H.C. Verma, right? H.C. Verma. These are also available in the net, Bharati Bhavan. This also, but this is more used for only competitive exams. These are more specific with the questions and answers related to the board exams, very specific, but this is a little bit concepts will be better and used for IIT, NEET and competitive exams. So I think generally I have covered majority of the names which I use it nowadays. ABC, Pradeep, I don't remember any other names at present in my mind. I am not getting any other book, and these are the general books, you know. Many people, many schools follow Pradeep, many schools follow ABC, and many schools follow New Simplified, and I follow Move Fast with Physics because I focus more on board examination, and then we can extend it to any of the competitive exams. And thank you. Stay safe. Take care of yourself.